Not all wealth is made in a rising market. Sometimes, real insight lies in spotting a bubble about to burst when everyone else is caught up in greed. Some investors go the other way, betting that the world is about to fall. That's what we call short selling. Imagine silver is trading at $20 per ounce, and I believe it'll drop soon. So, I borrow 1 ounce of silver from my friend Philip and immediately sell it for $20. Now I hold $20 in cash, but I still owe Philip 1 ounce of silver. Then I wait for the market price to fall. A few days later, the price really falls to $15 per ounce. I use $15 to buy back that ounce of silver from the market. Then I return the ounce to Philip. Debt settled, and I'm left with $5 in profit. That's the basic logic of short selling. Borrow, sell, wait, buy back, return, using the price difference to make money. So if you only ever make money when markets go up, you're missing out on half the opportunity.